Today, I'm going to be talking about Assurance Wireless phone replacement. Assurance Wireless is a prepaid wireless service provider that offers affordable plans to low-income individuals and families. One of the benefits of Assurance Wireless is that they offer a phone replacement program. You can get a new one for free if your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged. To qualify for the Assurance Wireless phone replacement program, you must be an active Assurance Wireless customer. You must also have a valid phone number and a current account balance. If you meet these requirements, you can request a new phone by calling customer service or visiting the Assurance Wireless website. When you request a new phone, you must provide some information, such as your phone's IMEI number. The IMEI number is a unique identification number that is assigned to every phone. You can find your phone's IMEI number by looking at the back of your phone or by dialing ##06#. Thanks for watching.